Are you prepared to uncover the secrets of successfully scaling your business? Look no further. We have gathered insights straight from the experts themselves. Scaling your business can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies, you can achieve remarkable growth. One key factor to consider is having a solid foundation. It's vital to establish a strong base before embarking on scaling ambitions. Ensure your business has a robust infrastructure in place, including efficient processes, skilled employees, and reliable technology. Without this foundation, your growth may be impeded. Another crucial aspect is market research. Dive deep into your target market and clearly understand their needs and preferences. By thoroughly comprehending their desires, you can offer tailored solutions that resonate with them. This will fuel your growth and expand your customer base. Additionally, don't forget about your team. Surround yourself with equally talented individuals who share your vision and drive. As your business scales, hiring and retaining the right people becomes even more crucial. Invest in their development and empower them to take ownership of their roles. Moreover, anticipating future challenges is of utmost importance. Scaling brings its own set of complexities, so it's vital to plan for them in advance. Seek guidance from experienced entrepreneurs or business consultants who can offer valuable insights based on their own scaling journeys. Lastly, never underestimate the power of innovation. Continuously strive for improvement and stay ahead of the competition by embracing new technologies and trends. Innovate your products, services, and operations to meet the evolving needs of your customers. In conclusion, scaling your business requires dedication and a strategic approach. Build a strong foundation, understand your market, invest in your team, plan for challenges, and embrace innovation. These insights from experts pave the way for your business to attain remarkable growth. Now it's time to set your scaling ambitions in motion and watch your business thrive.